Thank you for joining me. This is TJ's Math and Further Math Adventures. I will be looking at JAMB 2021. JAMB is just few days to write the examination. That's on the 19th of this month. So we just have few days to JAMB. So I decided to start solving problems from different topics and from different year as well. So join me as we solve problems from 2021. We have two questions here, question number 8 and question number 4 from JAM 2021. Okay, let's write down the solution here. Solution to 8 now. The question reads, given that the events A and B are such that the probability of A is given as half, the probability of B is given as X, and the probability of either A or B, that is A union B now, either A or B means A combined with B is equals to 3 over 5. Find X if they are independent. If they are independent, that's independent event. This is an independent event. So for independent events, when we have probability of A union B is the same as the probability of A plus the probability of B minus the probability of A intersect B. A intersect B. So this is the formula we have to use. That's for independent events. We have probability of A plus probability of B minus A intersect B. And A intersect B, we can write this formula as the probability of A plus the probability of B minus the probability of A. Let me write it this way, times the probability of B. A intersect B means is the probability of A times the probability of B. Okay? So this will be the center from the question. The probability of A is given as half. So we have half, and the A in B is given as 3 over 5. So we put 3 over 5 here. Plus the probability of B is X minus bracket open. The probability of A from the question is half. That will be half times probability of B, of course, is X. Okay? So this will be 3 over 5, half plus X. Of course, half times X is X over 2. That will be minus X over 2. This is over 1. Okay, so we can clear this fraction. The LCM of 5, 2, 1, and 2 is the LCM now. LCM is what? Is 10. So we multiply through by 10. This will be 10 times 3 over 5 minus half times 10 plus X times 10 minus X over 2 times 10. 5 here, 1, 5 into 10 is 2. And 2 times 3 is 6. Then 2 here, 1, 2 here, 5. That will be 5 plus 10 times X is 10X minus 5 here, 1, 5 here, 2 here rather, 1, 2 here, 5. That will be 5X. Okay, we are asked to find the value of X. Okay, so we collect lifetime. This will be 6 minus 5 equals to 10X minus 5X. Of course, it will be 5X. And 6 minus 5 is 1. This will be 1 equals to 5X. Then we divide both sides by 5. So X now will be equals to 1/5. That's 1 over 5 because we are asked to find X. So the value of X is 1 over 5. Okay, so let's move to question 4 now. Let's take it here since we are through with this. Question 4 is from limit of a function under differentiation. Limit of a function. And we have two ways we can solve this. Since it's JAMB, we use what we call L-hospital rule. L-hospital rule. L-hospital rule. Hospital rule. L-hospital rule. L-hospital rule means we differentiate what we have in the numerator. So the function, what we have in the numerator is x minus 1. So Uh, d by the x of our numerator now will be, when we differentiate x, we have 1. And when we differentiate minus 1, it will be 0, which is a constant. So this is now our numerator, the fastest way now. So we pick our denominator. D of x now will be, first of all, let's write, what we have is root x minus 1. This is the same as x power half minus 1. This is what we have in the denominator. The d of x of this now will be, this half will come down, that will be half of x, the power will reduce by 1, that will be minus half. And when we differentiate minus 1 is 0. We can write this as half times 1 over root x using negative law of indices now. This will be 1 over 2 root x. Okay? So this is now our denominator. So we combine this. So it will be 1 over 2 roots. It will be 1 divided by 1 over 2 root x. And this is the center as 2 root x. So we can now take our limit as x approaches 1. The limit now as x approaches 1 will be 2 root 1. And 2 root 1, of course, will be 2 times 1 because root 1 is 2. So root 1 rather is 1. So 1 times 2 is 2. So the final answer is 2. So this is the first method, and this one is faster. We call it L hospital rule. Or we can use another method by we can find the conjugate of the denominator here, then we rationalize, and it will be very long compared to this method. As I said, this is JAMB, so we have to look for a way around any problem in such a way that we can solve it very fast. Any JAMB question that you spend more than 1 minute, meaning you do not understand the haze or the secret behind. Okay, so this is the answer to this question 4. Thank you for watching. Please do share to your learned colleagues.